Come on, let's have here Jake German of Great Britain, half Pinoy and half British. It's proud to be a Filipino, of course, I'm proud of him. Whoa, what a tumble! Great job for that, Jake! Galing ni Jake. Wow, linis, stick. Counting hoop lang, small hoops only for Jake. That twist, whoa! Stick, grabe ah. It's just like flying. Defying gravity. Ay, galing. Mataas pa rin ang shoulder. Nice work, Jake. I hope he can be fine with his balance requirement. Awesome, Jake. Great job. He might be included in the finals here. Yes, awesome, Jake. But I think he did not have does he had a balance requirement? I think he did not.